in this this video. So for example, the field Perl is always hidden, but it's a mandatory field. It cannot be taken off. See, it says hide this field. Now I am going to, for an example, I'm going to bring in the company field here. Company. And I'm going to bring this field and make this a hidden field. So now you can see the company field is there, but it's not being shown in the form. If I unhide it, you can see the company field show up, but I'm going to hide it back. And I'm going to select a fixed value. So now every record that is submitted through this form will have the value of Acme Inc. in the company field. So using the fixed value, that's the idea, but typically that's how we use a hidden field.